Hi, wanna know how to use Object Cursor on your Samsung Galaxy S24 FE? So, as a first step, open Gallery on your phone and here select the photo where you would like to remove any object. As you can see, I got this cute photo, but I don't like this red thing right here. So, let's remove it. As a first step, click on the photo so the buttons around will appear and then click on this pen icon at the bottom part. As a next step, click on this icon with 4 circles on it. And here on this list, we would need to select Object Cursor. Then, after you will get to this Object Cursor editor, we would need to zoom in for the object that we would like to remove and just circle it around like this. And in few seconds, it will be automatically selected. Now, click on this button Earth and wait a little bit. And as you can see, it has completely disappeared. And now my photo is more artistic. So now we can click done and then click save. Here you can choose if you would like to save it over the original or you would like to save the original photo and also the edited one. So here we click save and this is it. Now you can see that this has completely disappeared. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.